Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. I made a video like day before yesterday, I guess, right? And I showed the chart that's what I was expecting, and then I took my trade, and then I wanna just share with you. So let's get started from let me see. I want to show you something first. That this is what the Elliott wave basic phenomena is. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it corrects itself A, B, C fashion, right? So this is an impulse wave. This is a correction. Now this one more elaborated picture is this. So this is more with clarity that this is what happened. It's wave one, then A, B, C. Three waves usually comes in wave two as a zigzag, most likely, and it's around 61% to 78%. Then the price goes to for wave three around 161%. Then it falls into wave four. Wave four usually is flat. Then most of the time sometimes you get triangle as well, but most of the time different kind of flat. A small, a simple, a regular flat looks like this: is A equal B equal C. Now, more clear picture is like this. This is a bullish flat where you have this wave A coming down here after finishing wave three, right? So ABC A, then ABC B, but B is a little bit lower or less than three, right? So this is a little bit lower than the high of three, and then it comes like in five waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. C, a little bit lower than wave A. That's how a regular bullish flat is usually, right? So far so good. So now this is what is happening in Bitcoin. So let me show you. This is the chart, and this is what's happening. This is wave one, two in the background. It's wave one, big wave one. Then it's flat, wave two here. Then this is wave three, big wave three, around 161 or more than 161%. Then you can clearly see here what happened. This is A, this is B, and this is C. And wave four finish, right? B is a little bit lower than three, and C a little bit lower than A. So I said, okay, this is where this finish, and I make my chart here, like we're gonna go up for wave five to the upside, but obviously like this, doing like this or doing like this, upside, up, down, not in a straight line. But I have my order here, right? So what happened to this chart, you can see one by one, I'm going to show you some charts. So this is going to the upside. This was my trade. I opened the trade, and from here to there, 57, 168 to 62, 286, all the way there. And this is where we end up like here. So with the fib drawn from top to bottom, you see that we went up straight to 61%. Now then, and I showed the trade going to the upside. Now, I had several trades, but I just showed you one. Now, I made this chart after that on August 8th, that from 61%, we usually go back to 23% line, but we have this band here, this low here, 56,552. I said, maybe we're going to bounce from there. If not, if we break below this number here, this one, and then we can probably drop to 22% line. So we start to drop, and obviously I need to go short, right? Take short trades if I find the entry. And here you go. So we had, this one was on 8th, then 9th and 10th were like weekend, I guess. So 11th, it was nicely coming down, and then gave me the short entry all the way down here. Now, where we end up here. Not even more. Let me see. I have this next slide. Yes. So all the way we came down here to this yellow band that I was talking about, 56,552. Right. So this is where we end up on the 15th. So and I said this chart also saying that if we break below this, then we will go back to 23% line. So I said, okay, now I change another chart. I make another chart on the 15th showing this, that we might bounce from this 56,552, this yellow mark, right? Or we may drop to this 23% line and then bounce towards the upside. Right? That was the chart on the 15th. And obviously, what happens is that we start to bounce exactly from here, right? I do not open the trade ahead of time as soon as the level hit, but I have my system where I see that the price is going to the upside and give me a clear entry, then I take the trade, right? So I found the bullish entry and I took the trade to the upside, which was this, right? So the price is like boom, went up. It's just okay, going up. But this was the entry, went up, then came back, knocked me out of the break even. The second entry, I took this one, and it is there. And another entry which went, after that it retraced here a little bit, and then again one more entry. This one after the retracement, we went up. This is 58,420 line. That's where the entry is. You can see 58,420 is this. So it was like wobbling here and then went up, gave me the entry. This is the entry I took, and then 59,780. So this is where we end up, and as you can see here that we start to go to the upside. And we hit like probably like this number is 59,600, or maybe 60,666, right? Devil's number. So that's the number. So yeah, we are slowly going to the upside now. We bounced from 56,520, and now right now we are just above this 58,520. We can say, and very, very close, or just, see, this is the number that we are exactly at 59,005. What we are doing, we close the market at 58,968, right? So we are right there. Now these are the couple of numbers that we have, and just draw these numbers on your entry line. That's what I'm going to do, right? On my entry chart, and then I will continue taking long if it continue going to the upside. I need my setup before I pull the trigger. Setup like this one. Yellow must be above the black. This indicates all the way down. Price turning blue after posting red candles, coming down into this area between yellow and this white line, right? So the price comes down into this area, and then red candle turns blue. At the same time, this indicator need to be all the way down, and the price must be making higher low. Then my conditions are completed, and after that, I will open the trade. So this was the entry, this was the entry, and maybe more to come. All right, so keep an eye on this chart here, and these are the numbers. Like I said, the 59,005. If we can stay above and then continue to the upside, I will take long trades into the next week. Okay, so just wanted to share with you guys and tell you what is happening, the updates. And by the way, this long trade that I took, I posted on the Telegram as well. You can see here BTC making long on 16. And after that, when I took this one, I posted here that this is the entry that I was talking about, and I took this one and then another one. This is gold, by the way. So yeah. And this is gold video. So I constantly posting here, heads up, so setup is coming or whatever. So this help, big help here, right? Now, yeah. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, then come on my website here, visit the website. This is creativetradingsystem.com. And you have a lot of things here to join. Subscription, one-on-one coaching, courses here, and robots here, all of that. So this is it for now. And if you want to test drive my Telegram, then sign up from here. And do not forget to sign up or subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time. All right. So today is Saturday, 10:40 p.m. Tomorrow is Sunday. Market will open at 5, and we will take it from there. Right. I already made the gold video, so we are going powerfully to the upside. So long there and long here in Bitcoin as well. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.